Malvern Garden House, a thoughtful collaboration between Taylor Knights Architects and Ben Scott Garden Design, redefines the relationship between a historic home and its natural surroundings. Located in a leafy Melbourne suburb, the project breathes new life into a 1930s residence by introducing a contemporary pavilion that masterfully bridges the old and the new. Rather than focusing on expanding the home's footprint, the design team prioritized outward orientation, transforming a historically inward-facing heritage building into an open sanctuary connected to the landscape. Central to this transformation was the site's spectacular, steep terraced garden, which features mature trees, including a magnificent centennial oak. The architects recognized that the north-facing topography offered a rare, sanctuary-like quality that made the bustling city feel miles away. This profound connection to nature became the guiding philosophy for the entire project, inspiring a design that treats the landscape not merely as a backdrop, but as the central binding element of the home. The new pavilion sits gracefully on the highest rear terrace, designed to function almost as an extension of the garden itself. Crowned with a loose rooftop garden that spills over its edges, the structure blends effortlessly into the environment. Large expanses of glass and a sculptural, triangular skylight flood the interior with natural light, blurring the boundaries between inside and out, acting as the functional command center of the residence. This primary gathering space exerts a powerful design influence that reverberates throughout the rest of the property. Rather than altering the original floor plan significantly, the architects introduced strategic architectural interventions to draw the old house outward. From the main entrance hall, a direct line of sight now pulls the eye forward toward the pavilion, establishing it as the ultimate destination where the entire home converges. By introducing expansive glazing along the northern face of the formal lounge, the design frames panoramic views of the terraced landscape and maximizes the home's elevated position. This visual continuity is further enhanced by a series of angled windows that create clever sightlines between disparate wings of the house. A new bay window in the reading room projects outward into the garden, mirroring a similar architectural motif found within the pavilion. These deliberate geometric alignments establish a conversational link across the property, allowing family members in the kitchen to maintain a playful visual connection with those resting in the adjacent living areas. Subtle yet powerful details throughout the home reinforce this dialogue between the structured formality of the 1930s eras and modern fluidity. A new, intimate courtyard nestled near the master suite introduces nature into private zones, while a timber screen allows light and air to filter into internal hallways. Ultimately, the Malvern Garden House relies on the thoughtful interplay of light, shadow, and connection, ensuring that every architectural gesture, from major structural additions to refined material details, serves to celebrate the surrounding garden.